everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day today. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save Google Docs to your files on your iPhone. It is actually super simple, but before we start this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because that would mean a lot to me. Okay, first of all, you are going to open your Google Docs app on your iPhone. And you're going to find the Google Doc that you want to basically save to your iPhone. And then I'm just going to press OK. Obviously, this is an example document. As you can see, there are 3 dots on the top right corner of your screen, well, of my screen right now, and you're just going to select it. And then the project proposal will show up. Then after that, you are going to select the Share and Export button. Make sure you select this button here under Details, Share and Export button. You're going to select that. And then don't select Save as Word, but you are going to select Send a Copy. So under Share and Export, there is a Send a Copy button under the Copy Link button. And then you're either going to choose PDF or Word. I'm going to select a PDF for mine, but you can select a Word format file for yours. Press OK. As you can see, it was preparing the file. You can share it somewhere else like WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc., etc. But if you want to save it to your files on your phone, you're going to scroll down, and as you can see, there is a Save to Files button. Select that. Then you're going to save it in the folder you want it to be. I'll just save it on this one. Then you are going to press the Save button on the top right corner of your screen. And that is it. Your Google Doc should be saved to your files on your iPhone. It is that simple. You don't even need to open the project here. You can just select the 3 dots next to the document, and then you can save that. Press the 3 dots here and then send a copy and do the same thing here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.